How to stop Snapchat from suggesting people. Now, to stop Snapchat from suggesting your profile to others and to reduce the number of random people recommended to you, you just have to disable the See Me in Quick Ads settings. To disable Quick Ads, simply tap on your profile and just head over to your settings. Then completely scroll down to the privacy controls, and there you'll see Me in Find Friends. If you have an older version, you may also see Me in Quick Ads, so just tap on which you have. In my phone, it is See Me in Find Friends, and you'll find this toggle, Show Me in Find Friends. So if you have this enabled, it will help friends find each other on Snapchat. You might appear in another Snapchatter's Find Friends if you share mutual friends or another connection. So if you turn this off, you won't have any suggestion on others, so they cannot add you on yours. Also, you can disable your contacts permission so that Snapchat cannot contact your phone numbers. So simply head over to the Snapchat app info by pressing on it. Then go to the permission tab and make sure you keep contacts on not allowed and phone also. So tap on them and make sure that you don't enable it to allow. Keep on don't allow and also your contacts. And in this way, you can easily stop Snapchat from suggesting people to you. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.